chapter we will discuss about how the organism reproduce. So what is meaning of the reproduction and what are the different types of that. So one type of reproduction we detailedly discuss about in the previous chapter, that is how the organism reproduce. So from the reproduce, how the organisms can able to grow, what are the difference will be show for that in the by growing time, what are the changes will be happening in our body, how it will be help to our life. That we will be see in this chapter. That is chapter 13, reaching the age of adolescence. Okay. So what are the changes will be happening in our life? That means from the birth to the till the certain ages in our body, there is a changes in our body. So what are the changes will be happening, that we will be see in this lesson. So you all know, you all are familiar about the life process. So some of the important life processes are very important, must in our body. Then only we can able to survive, we can able to live. So that type of life process are very important. For example, digestion, reproduction, respiration and excretion, the waste products, that is very important. So one of the important life process in our body, that is growing up. So what will be grow up in our body? So from the birth to the until the age of, we can see our body organs will be grow, our height will be changes, our height will be increased, then our body organs will be increase their sizes. No, so that is certain changes will be happening, that is growing. Growing up, it is the natural process in our body. Not only in our body, human beings, even the animals, plants, everything. All the living things, it will be happening. Growing is very important life process. Okay. Then in the growth, there is a changes in our body. Okay. So that is called what? Adolescence. From in the life period, when the body undergoes some of the certain changes, that changes will be leading to do the reproductive process. Okay. And then because of the reproductive process, we will get the maturity, puberty. This and all will be happening in human beings. So we are going to see about the adolescence and puberty. Puberty means in human body there is some changes will be undergoes. What particular changes will be, how it will be help in our body life process. That is will be in puberty, and what are the changes will be happening in our puberty. That will be see in this lesson. Okay. Take out the textbook, page number 158. You have learned how animals reproduce. It is only after growing up to a certain age that human beings and many other animals can reproduce. So once the reproduce will be happen in the animals, then the organism will start to grow up. Okay. So till that certain age, the human beings and many other animals can reproduce. So what will be happen till the certain age, the organisms will be grow. Then some changes will be happening in our body hormones. Okay. So that because of that changes, the living organisms will be ready to leading the reproduction process. Okay. Then why can human reproduce only after the certain age? This certain age after only the reproductions will be happen. Why it will be happen after the certain ages? So then only the body organs will be mature, then it is ready to reproduce the organisms. Okay. In this chapter you will learn about changes that taking place in the human body after which a person becomes capable of reproduction. So what we will be studying in this lesson means till that certain ages, what will be happen, what are the changes will be happen, then how the reproductions will be happening in the organisms. In chapter 12, you have learned about human reproductive organs. So there is a special human reproductive organs in our body to help to reproduce, means for the reproduction process. Here we shall discuss the role of the hormones play in bringing about changes that make a child grow into an adult. So this reproductive organs can able to produce some of the special hormones. Okay, hormonal glands are there. So endocrine glands we can say for them. So that type of endocrine glands can able to produce the hormones. These hormones are very important to use to help the body will be grow nicely in that. Okay, then only once the body will be grow, it will be mature, then it will be ready to the reproduction process. So the hormones are very important in our body. Next, adolescence and puberty. What is meant by adolescence and puberty? They have given one conversation. See, Boju was celebrating his 12th birthday. After his friends left, Boju and Pehli began chatting with their parents. Pehli studied in an all-girls school. She started laughing. She remarked that many of Boju's school friends whom she met after the year had suddenly shot up in height. Some of them were looking very funny with the hairy line above their lips. Her mother explained that boys had grown up. So what will be happening here? Like even we can say now friends, your friends are both studying in the same school. Next year she will be going to the other school. There, the girls' school that is. So after 1 year she will be back to your school and she was meeting your friends and you and all. By the time she was seeing the other boys and the girls, how they are changed their growth. The boys they can like a hairy growth in their upon the lips and all. So by the time she will be very shocked and how it will be happen for the boys and all. Like that the questions arise for her. By the time her mother said, growth begins from the day one is born. So when the growth will be start to begin means once the baby born, the child will be born. By the time onwards it will be start to grow. But upon crossing the age of 10 or 11, there is a sudden spurt in growth which becomes noticeable. So after once the 10 years will be start for the baby, by the time it will be some of the sudden changes will be happening in our body. The changes taking place in the body are part of growing up. So what are the changes taking place in our body? No, that is some growth will be happening. So the body will be growing up. They indicate that you are no longer a child but on the way to becoming an adult. So till the age of 10 we are in a baby only. Okay, we are in a child. So once the 10 years will be start and will be start and going on, by the time the child is not a child, he is going to the adolescence group. That means adult age. Okay. So it is a strange period of the life when you are neither a child nor an adult. So I wondered whether this period between childhood and adulthood had a special name. So till the child we have the name of that childhood. So once the childhood will be getting over the year 10, by the time we will be coming up to from the childhood to the adolescence. That means adulthood. Okay. So growing up is a natural process. So that's what we are telling. The growing is a important natural process in our life process. The period of life when the body undergoes changes. So in a certain period of life, in the certain periods in our life, there is some of the changes will be happening in our body. So that changes will be leading to reproduce the organisms and it will be leading to mature the organisms. So this is called what? Adolescence. So the period of life, when this period of life and the body undergoes some of the changes, the changes will be lead to the organism to reproduce and to mature. It's called adolescence. Okay. Adolescence begins around the age of 11 and lasts up to 18 or 19 years of the age. So when it be start means this adolescence age begins the age of 11. Okay, it will be happening up to 18 or 19. So that is from the 11 to we will be 12, 13. So from 13 to 19 we will take the teenage group. Okay, that's called what? Teenage group. Adolescents are also called the teenagers. In girls, adolescence may begin a year or two earlier than in boys. So, compared to the boys and the girl babies, child, compared to boys, girls will be 2 years before only they will become to the adolescence. Okay, that means become to maturity. May begin the year or two earlier than in boys. Also, the period of adolescence varies from person to person. So, this is not all of them same. It will be different from one person to the another person. Means all the girls they are not getting the same time of puberty and the maturity and all. Each one having the different ages they will be getting to the maturity. Okay, that's what the adolescence varies from person to person. So the human body undergoes several changes during adolescence. These changes mark the onset of puberty. So some of the changes will be undergoes in our human body. Not only for the girls, even for the boys also, some of the changes will be happening in their body. Okay, so that is the physical changes will be happening. So that type of changes will be marked onset of called puberty. So that is called what? Puberty. Not only for the girls, even for the boys also. The most important changes which marks puberty is that boys and the girls become capable of reproduction. So what by the time we can understand puberty will be once it will be started in our body means the organism. That means human beings means they are ready to lead in the reproduction process. Okay. Puberty ends when an adolescent reaches reproductive maturity. So when this puberty will be, when an adolescence reaches, it will be start and it will be end to the adolescence will be reaches reproductive maturity. So once will be reproductive maturity will be ends, by the time even puberty also will be end for that. Okay. So what the conversation, Pehari and the Bojo realized that sudden increases in height and hairy line above the lips in the boys were signs of adolescence. So now they understood how this will happen. Certain age after, even for the girls, some changes will be happen. For the boys, some changes will be happen there physically, body structure. Okay, so that is now called what? Adolescence. They wanted to know more about other changes in the puberty. What are the other changes will be happening in the puberty, that will be see now. Changes in puberty. So now what are the changes will be happening at puberty, that we will be see now. So there is a changes in that in our height, increasing in height. So once the adolescence will be reached means by the time our height automatically will be increased in that. Okay, so that is increasing in our height. Then next, changes in body shape. Our body shape will be different. Why it will be happening? The body shape means some of the external organs will be grow, the size will be increased. Okay ma? So that is changes in the body shape. Next is the voice. Our voice will be changed. For compared to the boys and the girls, there is a lot of changes, variety of changes, means different voice changes will be happening in our voice change. And then development of sex organs. So this is internal endocrine organs are there, there is sex organs are there, that will be improved. That means it will be developed, it will be ready to do the reproduction and the maturity like a puberty, that and that. Okay, so one by one we will be detailedly will be seen now. Page number 159, changes in puberty, increase in height. What are the age wise how the height will be increased, that we will be seen now. The most conspicuous changes during the puberty is the sudden increase in the height. So once we will be get the puberty, by the time our height will be increased. At this time the long bones, what will be happen? Our bones will be become too long. That is, the bones of the arms and the legs elongated and make a person tall. So what will be happen? The bones will be become too long and our arms and the legs will be elongated and make a person too tall. So automatically our bones and the arms will be become too long means we will be become to what? Tall person. Okay. So the first thing is the height will be increased. Why height will be increased means because of our body bones will be become too long. Our arms, bones and our legs and all become too long. So once it will become too long, automatically the height will be increasing there. Okay. So now an activity they have given 13.1. The following chart gives the average rate of growth in height of boys and the girls with age. So in each certain period of the age we have the certain height. Okay. So in that certain age if we have the proper height, then only our growth will be in a proper. Okay. So we will see now the figures in columns 2 and 3 give the percentage of the height a person has reached at the age given in the column 1. For example, by the age 11, the boy has reached 81% of his probable full height, while a girl has reached 88% of her full height. These figures are only representative and there may be individual variations. Use the table for your friends and work out how tall they are likely to be in them. So now in the table column you will see they have given in that age in years. So each one of the age they have given in a textbook age in years and percentage of full height for the boys and the girls. So for example now one boy is in 8 years. Okay, one boy and the girl now they are in 8 years means at the 8th year the boy has the 72% of the height. He will be reaching the 72% of the height. At the same time the girl will reach 77% of the height. So compared to the boys, girls they will be getting the more height systems. Okay. So see next the 9th year the boy will be getting to the reach in the 75% and the girl will reach in the 81%. The age of 10 the boy 78% and the girl 84%. Like that from the 8th age to till the 18th age we can see the variations in our height increases in that. So at last the age of 18 by the time the boys will be become to 100% of, that means he will reach the like a proper height for that. How the parent their height like that he will be completed his height, that is 100% 100% will be fulfilled, even for the girls also. But while growing time, compared to the boys, the girls will be getting to the more height. Okay, but at last both are equalized in the age of 18 years. Both boys and the girls, they will become to 100%, they will reach their height according to the heredity and the generations. Okay, so now how to calculate the height of for us, how to make the percentage of this height. Calculation for full height in a centimeter. So how we have to calculate means present height. How much present height divided by percentage of full height at this age. Height at this age. Okay, for example, into 100. Into 100. So for example, a boy is 9 years. So at present height we have to write in a centimeter. So the boy is 9 years old and 120 centimeter tall. So this 120 is a percent height in centimeter divided by percentage of full height in that age, that is 75. How many 75? That is 9 years old boy. We have to calculate as a month. Okay, so that will become to 75 month into 100. So like this, if we add means the total 160 centimeter. So this is the way to find out the height of the person. Each person, how much person they reach in a certain ages that they have given there. So this same thing they will be shown in the next activity 13.2, how to do in a graph. That is this ages how they will be mentioned in the graph. So that is initially girls grow faster than boys, but by about 18 years of the age. So initially compared to the boys, the girls will be grow more till the age of 18. Both reach their maximum height. The rate of growth in height varies in different individuals. So it will be different in each one of them. Okay. Some may grow suddenly at puberty and then slow down, while others may grow gradually. So once they get puberty, by the time the height for the girls' height will be stopped. Some of them they will be continuously grow their height. That means the height will be increased. Okay. So because that is the individuals will be different. That will be changes in the each one of them. We cannot say for all of them same increasing height in that. Okay. I am worried though I have become taller, my face looks much smaller compared to my body. So some of the persons we can see, they are very tall but the face will become very small. Okay, means small in size. So it does not look like nice and tall. So compared to their age wise, the body height should be grow and become the height. There is no need for the family to worry, all parts of the body do not grow at the same rate. There is no rules for that. All the body parts should be grow in the same time. Okay, so some of the part will be increase their sizes in a certain age. Like for example, our nail is there, no, it will be continuously growing that. Like that, if it will be continuously grown, means our height will be extraordinary, will be increased that, no. So that won't be happen. So each part of our body it won't be take the same time to grow in that. All parts of the body do not grow at the same rate. Sometimes the arms and the legs or hands and feet of adolescents look oversized and out of the proportions with the body. So each one of the part taking the timing to grow in that. But soon the other part catch up and result in the proportionate body. You must have noticed that height of an individual is more or less similar to that of some family members. So we can see in our family only. Like 4 brothers are there, means 2 brothers they will be very high. It's like their parents, all their parents they are very high, no, like that they will be. Other 2 children they will be very short. How it will happen? Because their heredity before the generations might be they are like that only. Okay. So in this generation there is no same growing in their height and that is the reason for that. It is however very important to eat the right kind of the food during this growing years. So that is the reason why the growing time, that is period, we have to take the good nutrition food, then only our body growth will be in a proper, then only we will be reached in a certain ages, our height, weight and that. If you are not taking good nutrition food, means definitely our growth will be inhibited, the hormones won't properly in a proper time, then we won't get the proper time in the puberty and all. Okay, so this and all will be happen because of the nutrition problem. Okay. This helps the bones, muscles. What will be because of the good nutritious food? What and all it will be help means it helps the bone, muscles and other parts of the body get adequate nourishments for the growth. So once we take the good nutrition food, our body, muscles, bones and this and all will be getting good nourishment to grow. Okay. You will find nutrition needs for the adolescents discussed later in the lesson. So what are the nutrition is very important. What are the vitamins very important to grow our body. That and all we will be discussed later in this lesson. Next point is change. So in the next class children we will discuss about what are the changes in our body shape. Okay, so in this class just we started what are the changes will be happening in our body, what is mean by the growth, adolescence, what are the changes will be happening. The first point will be we discussed them. So in the next